today we begin a princess themed birthday party series, and if you're interested, please keep watching, and welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. So hi Adorners, today I'm beginning a princess themed birthday. I know the last birthday party series that we did was red, white, and blue, but we're going to have a princess themed birthday. This will be our last birthday series before we begin all of our wonderful things for fall and the upcoming holidays. And let's get started on our princess theme. So also for the princess party, I have pink and purple as our main colors. We have an ice cream themed garland. I'm going to show you how I made this just quickly. It's just a pom-pom garland with some princess hats that I got from the Dollar Tree. So we have a lot of things. We have centerpieces, we have cakes, we have treats, and we have princess slime. So I hope you're going to join me for this series. And again, welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Okay Adorners, so as I said, yes, I did pick up a pink poster board at the Dollar Tree. It's $1.25, and I had gold garland glitter already, and I just sketched a princess, and over my paint I just added some glitter and shook it off, of course. And you can create whatever you like, maybe your initials for your princess, or maybe a castle or something like that. We have a garland, as you can see, that has ice cream cones. This is, I used a pom-pom pack from the Dollar Tree and some princess hats, as you can see, and I just hot glued the princess hat to the bottom of our pom-pom. I'm going to show you. Okay Adorners, so as I said, so I took some of the princess hats from the Dollar Tree. They're like a purple themed, and I have a hot glue gun here. I just went around the perimeter or the rim of the hat, all right, with the glue, you can see here, and I glued it to the bottom of our pom-pom. Let's see here, I'm gonna go ahead and glue that. It's our last pom-pom here. It's glued to the bottom, all right. You can see it just glued it to the bottom of our pom-pom here. I think the ice cream garland is a really pretty idea. So for our centerpiece for today, we're going to do a large balloon that is going to be, we have some large, these are 17-inch round balloons. I've just picked these up at Walmart. They were pretty reasonable, a couple bucks. I have a styrofoam. I have pre-cut tool, and I have a tulip cup, okay, along with our stem. Okay Adorners, so I've gone ahead and I've cut our styrofoam on a diagonal, and I'm going to use tulip cups. I used a serrated knife, okay, this is just a steak knife, to cut our styrofoam, and I'm going to shape it down to fit inside my tulip cups, okay. Okay Adorners, so as I said, I went ahead and cut down my styrofoam to fit inside my julep cup. I'm going to be using some iridescent Easter grass that I had left over. I'm going to hot glue the Easter grass on top of this once I have my centerpiece stem in. Okay Adorners, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use our knife to poke a hole in the center of our styrofoam, and that way we can add our stem for our balloon just a little easier. Okay Adorners, now that I've gone ahead and added, cut the little hole in the middle of our styrofoam, I'm going to go ahead and insert our stem. Okay Adorners, so now that I have my centerpiece base ready, you can see I added the iridescent Easter grass. Okay Adorners, so I have 2 of my 17-inch hot pink balloons. I'm going to use my air buddy, my balloon buddy, as we did in previous videos, to blow them up. And I'm not going to blow it completely all the way up. You could do so, but I need a little space to tie off at the end, and I am using a smaller stem for our balloons, and I want to be able to cover this with tulle. Okay Adorners, let's go ahead and blow up our second balloon. So as I said, I'm leaving some room. These balloons are pretty taut, You need to be able to pull to tie at the end. Okay, Adorners, so I'm going to go ahead and spread out my tulle. I cut it in half lengthwise, and I'm going to go ahead and spread it out so I can cover our balloon. Okay, Adorners, so as you can see, I've gone ahead and taken my tulle to cover it, my balloon, even on all sides. Okay, Adorners, as you can see, I've gone ahead and added our tulle to our balloons. And honestly, if you have the larger stem for these 17-inch balloons, I think it will work better for you for the weight of the balloons. Okay, so if you're in the store, you're looking for these. I did see some smaller stems like this at Walmart. If you do use a smaller stem, you may want to blow your balloon a little smaller. And if you can find the larger stem, as you can find these on Amazon or anything like that, you would definitely want to use this. But so far, this is where we are for our princess themed birthday party. Okay, Adorners, so that kind of concludes part of our decorating for right now. We're going to go ahead with our princess slime, iridescent glitter princess slime, as well as our biscuit pizzas that your guests can make individually on their own. Then we have our marshmallow ballerinas and our princess doll cake. Please be sure to join me for part 2 of our princess themed birthday bash. See you in the next video.